Hey, I'm Chris Martin. I'm a fleet manager in the Reefer Division. I've been here 17 years.
Hi, I'm David Stephenson. I'm with Trailer Maintenance. I've been at Prime for a little over 14 years now.
Okay, so today we're going to do something that I've never done before. I'm going to show you that even a fleet manager can repair or replace the rivets on an air chute.
On all our units, if you ever have an air chute problem where the rivets are missing, if you go to the driver's side panel of the unit and open the door, on the inside of the door there should be a bag that'll have rivets for you to be able to use to be able to repair the chute. At times, if the bag's not right here, look right in here in the bottom of the pan. A lot of times they'll fall loose and they'll be down in here, so there should be some in every unit. In order to do this repair, a couple things you're going to need is possibly a small step ladder. You might be able to get one at a truck stop or a customer. They might let you borrow one. It doesn't take that long to do. A small hammer, and the best thing that works is like a number 2 Phillips Screwdriver in order to make the hole to put the new rivet in. A lot of times what we see when drivers bring a trailer in with the chute down is what you see right here, the last couple feet, all it is held by Velcro. Sometimes just getting the floor broom, you can get it right back up there with no rivets. All right, I'm going to give Chris a little lesson here on how to repair a chute. If the rivet is still existing, a lot of times what you can do is put it back up in the old hole so you don't have to pull it out. Take your hammer, tap it back in. And then what you want to do, Chris, is right next to it, about 2 inches away, you put that small hole for the new rivet. Put it through the chute, up into the hole, nail it in. That's all it takes to repair a chute. All right, Chris, this is another common thing we see is the actual rivet stays in the trailer and it just puts a hole in the chute. All you have to do there, basically line it up where it was, take your screwdriver, make your hole, and basically the same thing then, just put a new rivet through. Pop it up in there, you're all set.
Okay, here we go. So we're going to line this up, get my hole puncher. I'm going to put it a few inches to the side here. Now I'm going to hit it. Got my hole. Put my rivet up in here. Shove it into the hole. Give it a try. There we go. Now if I don't hit my finger, we're good. That easy. All right, here we go. So I'll line up the old one. Take my puncher and make the hole. There. Get my rivet. Put it through the chute. Shove it up in there. There we go.
Just a reminder, a few key things you might need to do this chute repair is borrowing a ladder from a truck stop or a customer, a hammer, and a number 2 Phillips Screwdriver. If you do have any questions or if you want to learn how to do one of these, feel free to stop by the plaza and ask any one of the mechanics. We'll be more than happy to help.
So part of providing good customer service is to show up with equipment at our shippers that's clean and in good working order. And that would include the air chute. So if you repair an air chute, let your fleet manager know so they can compensate you for your time. If you don't feel comfortable making this repair, get a hold of your fleet manager or road assist advisor and they can help you from there.